Hello everyone. Today we will gain some basic knowledge about constitution through some multiple choice questions. So without wasting any time, let's start with it. The first question is the executive head of a state government is whom among the following? Options are A. Chief Justice of the High Court, B. The Minister, C. The Governor, or D. The Prime Minister. The correct answer to this question is option C. That is the Governor is the head of the state government. The next question is all the union ministers are appointed by whom among the following? Options are A. Home Minister, B. The Prime Minister, C. The President, D. The Vice President. The correct answer to this question is option B. That is the Prime Minister. The next question is the chairman of the Rules Committee is A. The Speaker, B. The Prime Minister, C. The Vice President, or D. The Opposition Leader. The correct answer to this question is option C. That is the Vice President is the chairman of the Rules Committee. The next question is the Election Commission can be removed by which of the following? Options are A. The President, B. The Home Minister, C. The Prime Minister, or D. The Parliament. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is the Parliament can remove the Election Commission. The next question is the system of the dual citizenship exists in which of the following countries? Options are A. India, B. USA, C. France, or D. United Kingdom. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is France. The French nationality law allows dual citizenship of France to be acquired by birth if a child is born to a French parent, filiation, or naturalization. Many people who live in France have dual citizenship since France has a very large number of immigrants from Southern Europe, Africa, Asia, and Eastern Europe. Studies also indicate that about 14 million people of foreign ascendancy make up France's population. French nationality law was mainly based on the principle of right of the soil and has supported dual citizenship since the early 1970s. In 1992, the element of the right of blood were added to the French code, making French dual citizenship no longer automatically acquirable by the birth. The next question is the method of proportional representation is adopted in the election of which of the following? Options are A. Governor, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Chief Justice of India. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is the President. Now let's understand what is proportional representation. Proportional representation characterizes an electoral system in which the division in an electorate are reflected proportionately in the elected body. The essence of such systems is that all votes contribute to the result, not just in plurality or a bare majority. The most prevalent forms of the proportional representation is that all require the use of multiple member voting districts, as it is not possible to fill a single seat in a proportional manner. In fact, the proportional representation system allows the hopes to achieve the highest level of proportionality and tends to include districts with large number of seats. The next question is Sarkaria Commission was concerned with which of the followings? Options are A. Judicial Reforms, B. Financial Reforms, C. Central State Relations, or D. Electoral Reforms. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is the Central State Relations. Sarkaria Commission. This commission was set up in June 1983 to examine the relationship and the balance of power between state and central governments and suggest changes within the framework of the constitution. However, the discretionary power of the governor offered him a vast liberty in actions. According to constitution, the decision of the governor is to be final and the validity of anything done by him as a matter of his discretion cannot be questioned.
The next question is who had the longest tenure as the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Options are A. G.V.Moulankar B. G.S.Dhillon C. Balram Jakhar or D. P.A. Sangma. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is G.S.Dhillon. The next question is which state stood at the bottom in the literacy rate? Options are A. Kerala, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Bihar. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is Bihar stood at the bottom in literacy rate. The next question is the second largest state in India on the basis of population is which of the following? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, or D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is the Maharashtra is the second largest state in India as per the population. The next question is who appoints the member of the Union Public Service Commission? Options are A. The President, B. The Prime Minister, C. The Chairman of UPSC, or D. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is the President appoints the members of the Union Public Service Commission. The next question is right to freedom guarantees how many rights? Options are 6 rights, B 7 rights, C 8 rights, or D 9 rights. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is 6 rights. So let us discuss what are these 6 rights that right to freedom guarantees. The right to freedom guarantees to citizens the following 6 fundamental rights. First, freedom of speech and expression. Second, freedom of assembly. Third, freedom to form association. Fourth, freedom of movement. Five, freedom to reside and to settle. And sixth, freedom of profession, occupation, trade, or business. The next question is the Rajya Sabha shall consist of not more than how many members? Options are A 250 members, B 238 members, C 200 members, or D 300 members. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is the Rajya Sabha shall consist of not more than 250 members, in which the, there should be a 238 members and the remaining 12 should be the members from various aspects of life like culture, literature, drama, art, movies, and from various other fields. The next question is the Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the constitution of which of the following countries? Options are A. United Kingdom, B. Canada, C. Ireland, or D. United States of America. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of Canada. The next question is in India, political parties are given recognition by whom? Options are A. President, B. Law Commission, C. Election Commission, or D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is the Election Commission gives the recognition to the political parties with their symbols. The next question is how many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Options are A 11 schedules, B 12 schedules, C 13 schedules, or D 14 schedules. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is the Indian Constitution contains in total 12 schedules. The next question is the salary of the president is taken from which of the following? Options are A. Prime Minister's Fund, B. Consolidated Fund, C. Contingency Fund, or D. None of these. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is Salary of the president is taken from the Consolidated Fund. The next question is, the concept of welfare state is found in the Indian Constitution in which of the following? Options are A. Fundamental duties, B. Preamble, C. Directive principles, and D. Fundamental rights. The correct answer to this question is option C. That is, the concept of welfare state is found in the directive principles in Indian Constitution. The next question is, the authority to alter the boundaries of the state in India rests with whom? Options are A. The President, B. The Prime Minister, C. The State Government, or D. The Parliament. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is, the Parliament has the power to alter the boundaries of a state in India. The next question is, the salary of the governor is, options are A. 1 lakh, B. 2 lakh 25,000, C. 3 lakh 50,000, or D. 1 lakh 10,000. The correct answer to this question is option C. That is, the salary of the governor is 3 lakh 50,000 per month.